Right, we're heading to the Masjid Arms. I thought it's halal lager. Isn't it a mosque? It's a cracking boozer now. Off we go. For King and Country! For King and Country!
Welcome, lads, to the Masjid Arms.
Wow, this is brilliant. We thought it was a mosque.
It has, well, but it's reverted to a pub.
Aisha, tell them about the company.
We specialise in reverting buildings back to pubs.
We are getting a country. Sharia lager for everybody. To the Masjid Arms.
A few moments later.
Whoa, steady on.
This cross is bloody heavy. Past the painter. Who'd have thought a masjid could be so much fun? On to the next. That Aisha was so nice. I don't want to be racist anymore.